Hello, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. James here, as ever, for today's Performance Management F5 exam review, where I'm joined by Tammy, who successfully passed the examination, and even better, he watched the videos on the YouTube channel, which we will link at the end of this video, which got him a score of 62, which was absolutely fantastic. He's come on the channel today to talk about his experiences to help out other ACCA students as well. So Tammy, feel free to say hello and to introduce yourself, my friend.
Hello, my name is Sam Mohsin, and I passed F5 from Performance Management. Recently, I got 62, and I'm from Pakistan. I'm a right now 20 student, so I'm unemployed and looking for a job.
That's fantastic. Well, Tammy's first time being recorded, everyone. So he's going to just walk and talk us through, nice and easy, how he passed, what he would have liked to have done differently. So, Tammy, where would you like to start? What would you advise an ACCA student to pass this exam?
Actually, I got my first attempt failed, so I passed my F5 in second attempt. So my advice is that recently uh, I got a study buddy from ACCA community. ACCA community is so much helpful for students. They get to meet very much all over around the world, like Thailand. Like I have a friend from Thailand, so it would be very much helpful. Like they got to help me and I got to help them. So then with them, I started my F5 and I got admitted in institute. So institute helped me a lot. My teachers helped me a lot, and and I my F5 experience is so much emotional. Like I give my students, my seniors. Pass this F5 exam in three and fourth attempt. So I got so much scared like I would be able to pass this exam in first attempt. So I my advice is you got to have some good techniques. Like if you don't have some good techniques, you wouldn't be able to pass the exam. Like if you have detailed knowledge, practice, you have enough practice from captain kid, and you don't have good techniques, you wouldn't be able to pass this exam because my tutor told me some good techniques and how to pass uh, how to pass this exam. Like they go through every questions, like how how you how you can easily uh, can
Yeah,
uh,
it's all good. Yeah, it comes with practice, doesn't it, on there? And the learning community, which you mentioned, it's so helpful. You get to meet other students from around the world who are doing the same exam, and I can hear in your voice the emotions of the PM
yeah.
exam because it's only got a 40% pass rate. So I'll put the link to the learning community in the description of this video so other students can benefit as well.
Because my seniors, they got me so much scared that I wouldn't be passed. But after I got my results, I think that FI is not that hard. FI is very easy. If you go through step by step, like you got detailed knowledge, and then after that practice question, and after that go the mock. Mock is very necessary. Uh, with mock you can know what's your weakness in particularly topics. I think I did I did 2 to 3 mocks before the exam, 2 to 3 days before the exam. So it's very much helpful to do mock. And I also did some questions from SCA practice platform. That's very much helpful for me. So yeah, the reason I'm sharing my experience because I want to tell the student that FI commerce is not that hard. If you got detailed knowledge, have some good techniques, and first of all, believe in yourself that you can pass this FI commerce in first attempt. Like I got many friends and many students that they don't believe, like they got very scared that they wouldn't pass this exam. So like my best friend and I doing CCA right now. So my best friend got failed in F5, and he's year time in December 2022. So I hope they he will pass this December 22 exams.
Yes, well, I'm sure he'll be watching this recording, very proud of you for passing on there as well. But for students who are watching, who have the PM F5 exam coming up, which was the hardest section in the exam for you? Was it A, B, or C?
My hardest section B, my hardest like I got to struggle in one topic, linear programming. Like you have to go through graphs, and it would be such a headache. Like and my easiest topic is session C, like financial, non-financial ratios, building block model type questions. So I'm very good at interpreting ratios type questions, financial, non-financial questions. Yeah.
Fantastic. And if there was anything that you would change in your approach for next time, maybe more question practice, more computer-based examination, more time revising, what would you change differently?
Depends on what subject you are doing. Like if it is F6, that I would be revising knowledge because F6 has a lot of detailed knowledge, lot of scrolls. So I will be revising that tool instead of practice is good, but F6 has a lot of scrolls. Yeah.
Mm. Well, for PM, a question I always get asked all the time is, how many weeks before the exam did you leave to do question practice and past papers?
Uh, I got 30 days. Like in 30 days, I got to do Captain Kit, CB, practice platform, most. In these 30 days, I'll complete all this, and another 60 days, I had detailed knowledge. Like read all the Kaplan books, lectures, everything. 60/30.
Right. So we've got 2 weeks on there as well. And finally, what about the sort of free resources on ACCA's website, or did you use books, or what was your approach that a student could benefit from?
I use Kaplan study kit. They're very much helpful, and I don't didn't use any free resource. Like I use open tuition.
Hmm.
Uh, notes. They are very helpful. So,
Lovely.
actually, my institute got all that to me, give all that to me. So I didn't and must use that resources.
Right. And sorry, yeah, go on.
Actually, studies was not that bad, but yeah, capital study is looks good for F5. You don't have to go to another like notes. Study so capital study is so okay.
Fantastic. And I always put all my recommended texts in the description of my videos. So if anyone's struggling which ones to buy or anything like that, or unsure what we're talking about, check those out as well.
He is very much they have very much detailed knowledge. Capital study staff is okay. They have minimum detailed knowledge that you have to know. That's it.
Yeah, it's yeah
It's good.
to pass PM for me, it's question practice on there, good knowledge of all the core topic areas because they can test absolutely anything in section A, and there are a variety of questions in section C, aren't there?
Actually, James, I have many friends who uh, choose like this topic. They have to go and this they left some topic and they go for some topic like 50-50.
So they try to question spot is what the
Yeah,
examiner calls it. So in PM, there's about 8 to 9 topics that you can be tested on in section C, from budgeting to break even, variances.
it's my favorite topic, you know.
Y- yes,
Budgeting variance. Yeah,
yes, yes. So my advice for anyone watching this is don't question spot, because if it comes up on the exam and you don't know it,
go every detail. I don't every topic and don't leave a topic behind. Like they didn't come in past year, they didn't come in past attempt. Go for every topic. Everything can become if examiner wants.
exactly. They talk about it in the external examiner's report for students who are taking notes today. Section A can test anything. Section
Yeah,
B is very, very tricky on there. And section C is you have to have pro formas and good layout for budgets and the formulas as well.
I'm sorry. Actually, topic linear programming came in section B. So uh, I don't know how to approach that question. So I didn't leave section B that topic, but I love what can I call A A B C D, like you know, like I didn't do well in that topics. I like there are 5 questions. I do some good in. I didn't well in the linear programming. You know, I leave everything in that topic, and other 2 questions I did well. I did well.
Yes. Well, if you get stuck on the exam, work out what way you would go. I always say most students like to do section A first, then section C, and then section B.
Yeah, I I also did section A, section B sessions. It's like good for me. Like
Yeah.
well, yeah.
All right. Well, thank you for all of your insights today, Tammy, as well. But are there any other final thoughts you would like other ACCA students who are doing the performance management exam, to know that you think is really, really important as a final point?
At first of all, believe in yourself. You can do it. Don't be scared. I find it's not that hard. You know, like they go for every detail. Don't leave any topic behind. Do practice it. Do mock is very necessary. And for time management, go to ACCA platform, like do a CV type papers. You know, you can know what is coming. What you can be able to manage the time management. It's very important. I get many students like they leave half a paper, like they leave some portion like they left behind because of time management. Time management is very important. You know, do a CV platform, then go for exam, and after that, forget the rest. And before 2 to 3 days before exam, everybody is have exam anxiety. You know.
I know it's just keep practicing, going through your notes, and then the day before the exam, just try and settle down, consolidate, and you'll be
Yeah,
fine.
yeah,
Lovely. Well, as I said, Tammy, thank you so much for your time today, coming onto the channel to sharing your experiences, and for other people who watch the videos, who knows, maybe one day they will come on and share theirs as well.
those James videos, they are very helpful.
Thank you so much for that, Tammy.
Yeah, I was recently I watched your videos about advanced taxation. You know, they will be very helpful for me. So it's a very
Plenty
yeah,
of fun on the channel, isn't there, on there? So, guys, if you'd like
yeah,
access So all of those videos, all you need to do is just hit the subscribe button below. You get access to all the videos for free. And of course, be sure to give myself and Tammy's video a massive thumbs up so that more ACCA students will come across the videos to help them along to get the 50 plus. And you can leave any comments of what you thought of the video down below. We'll be sure to answer them. And it could be the difference, as Tammy and I know, of getting the 50 plus and passing that
Yeah,
examination.
yeah.
That's all right. Well, as I said again, thank you so much, Tammy, for your debut on the channel. And we will see you all for another video soon. Thank you very much, guys. Bye.